Hello everyone. I'm Naveen, and welcome to this demo of my intelligent face tracker with auto, registration, and visitor counting project. This is a real-time face detection, recognition, and tracking system built using Python, YOLO v8, and InsightFace. The goal of this project is to detect faces in a video stream, recognize them using embeddings, track their movement, and log entry/exit events, all while storing the data in a SQLite database. This can be used for applications like attendance systems, security monitoring, or visitor analytics. Let's dive into the setup. After successful cloning the GitHub repository, here's the project folder and its structure. Logs for storing cropped face images. Config.json for configuration. Faces.db is the SQLite database. Main.py as the main script. Requirements.txt for dependencies. And the YOLO model particularly used to detect face. Let's open the config.json file. Here, you can tweak parameters like detection skip frames, how often to run detection, detection confidence threshold for YOLO v8, embedding similarity threshold for face recognition, exit frame threshold, how many frames to wait before logging an exit event. These values can be adjusted to optimize performance for your specific use case. Now, let's run the project. I'll use the shared video file as the input source. Here's the real-time visualization window. As you can see, bounding boxes appear around detected faces. Each face has a unique ID for tracking. The visitor count updates dynamically. The frame number and timestamp are displayed in real time. Let's simulate a scenario. When a new face enters the frame, an entry event is logged, and a cropped image is saved to log/entry/. When a face leaves the frame, an exit event is logged, and the cropped image is saved to log/exit/. Let's check the logs and database. Opening events.log to see the logged events. Open faces.db in a SQLite browser to see the stored face data, embeddings, and events. Finally, check the log/entry/ and log/exit/ folders for the cropped images. And here you people can see that the system detects and tracks each face individually. New faces are registered in the database, while recognized faces are matched using embeddings. When a face leaves the frame, the system logs an exit event after a configurable delay. Building this project came with a few challenges. Performance. To ensure real-time processing, I optimized the pipeline by skipping frames, detection under frames, and using GPU acceleration where possible. Accuracy. I tuned the confidence and similarity thresholds to balance between false positives and false negatives. Database. I chose SQLite for its simplicity and ease of use, as it doesn't require a separate server. These solutions ensure the system runs smoothly and accurately in real time. To wrap up, this project is a robust solution for real-time face detection, recognition, and tracking. As I said before, it's ideal for applications like attendance systems, security, or visitor analytics. In the future, I plan to add support for multiple cameras, integrate with cloud storage for scalability, implement a web dashboard for real-time monitoring. If you're interested in trying it out, check out the GitHub repository for the code and documentation. Thank you for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions.